How to fix rustclient.exe is not responding. So if you want to fix your rustclient.exe is not responding, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Steam application. After opening your Steam, you need to go with library, which will be in the top left, and here you will find the application, which is rustclient.exe, or you will find the game. Right. Once you find your game, you need to just click on it and then right click on that and go with properties. Under properties, you need to go with install files and you need to click on verify integrity of game files. Just wait for a few seconds and then your problem might be fixed. If not, you need to go with browse, which will be on top, and here you will find .exe folder. You need to right click on that exe folder, then go with properties. Under that, you need to go with compatibility, which will be on the right side, and then you need to click on disable full screen optimizations and click on run this program as an administrator and click on apply and then OK. Once done, you need to close this and then you need to go with Steam, which will be in the top left. Go with settings. Under settings here, you need to go with downloads section. Now you need to scroll down a bit, go with clear download cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side, and confirm. After that, you need to go back and then go with storage. Under storage, you need to just simply go with the three dots, which will be on the right side, and then go with repair library. Once done, you need to go with downloads again. Make sure that you've selected the correct region as well. Last thing you can try is to completely shut down your Steam. So you need to go with the hidden icons, which will be on the bottom, and just simply right click on it and then go with exit Steam. And if you see Rust here, you need to go with the same interface and then right click on your taskbar, go with task manager. Here, if you find the Rust or Steam, you just need to simply right click on it and then just go with end task. That's it. After that, restart the device and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.